Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over another premium medium question in the database category that I just solved on my own. So again, I'm really glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this problem without any help, and I thought it was pretty straightforward. So let me show you how I did it. This one's called Count the Number of Experiments, number 1990. So basically, they just want you to report the number of experiments done on each combination of platform and experiment name. And obviously this is going to be unique, so that's going to be the primary key. So let's go ahead and do that. So notice that it says the platform has 3 values and experiment name has 3 values. So for example, Android and sports was never included, so you still have to fill that in as 0. So let's go ahead and get the platform. And let's declare that as Android, iOS, and then web. And then we have the experiment name. Let's call this EN. We have reading, sports, and then programming. Okay, so now what we want to do is go ahead and iterate over this experiments table. So for E in enumerate experiments, let's just say platform. You can do either one. You can do experiment name. It doesn't matter. So let's create a dictionary because we're going to tally up the combination of these two, how many times they appeared, because experiment ID is unique, as I said. So then the combination of the platform and experiment name. So this is the platform. So D of E, and then the experiment name is experiment name of I, and then just plus equal to 1, right? So combination of this, same row, just one cell over, plus equal to 1. Cool. So now if we print our dictionary, you can see we are missing some fields, for example, Android programming, so we have to add those in. So now we can say we have to go through this and basically generate all the combinations. So let's just say because we're using the platform first, so for P and PF, for E in EN, if PE, that combination, is not in the dictionary, then we just set it as a placeholder to be 0. Okay, so let's run this, and now you can see we have these things filled in. So the good thing is we can return the result table in any order, so it doesn't matter. So we're basically done. We just have to gather the results and fill in the columns as usual. So 1, 2, 3 columns for K and D. So this is going to be column 1, column 2, column 3, right? So 1.append K of 0. So that's the key's 0th index of this tuple. 2.append K of 1, and then 3.append the value to that key. Okay, so now let's go ahead and create the data frame. Platform, label this, label this, label this. 1, experiment name is 2. Num experiments is 3. And then let's go ahead and return it. So very straightforward. Let's run this. Okay, submit it. And there you go. Passes all test cases. Again, I'm really glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any help. And again, I thought it was pretty easy and straightforward. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.